These viral miniature videos are trending all over Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even on YouTube. So imagine you're the one owning this type of channels, and all you have to do is to spend 5 minutes of your time creating this type of videos and come back the next day or 2 days to see your videos trending all over the place or making millions of views. How will you feel about it? Well, amazing thing about this video is that they are easy to create, they are fun, and they are also shareable. And people keep watching this video over and over without getting tired. And the interesting part is that you can monetize this type of videos on YouTube and start making money online. So if that's what you want, come closer and sit down and let's do this together. I am going to walk you through the entire process of creating these miniature videos step by step. So before we continue, I just want to say a big thank you to you all. This is the first video I'm making after the channel face review, and I just want to say thank you so much for your support under that video. I'm so shocked about the comments, the like, and the views on that video. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that video just after watching this video. I just want to say thank you all for the support. I was so surprised about that. Now this has also got me thinking. I've been thinking about this since I showed my face after that video. I've been thinking, should I continue showing my face on my videos, or you want me to go back to my channel avatar? Let me know that in the comment section, because I've been thinking about it, whether my audience still want to see my face or they want to see my avatar. So you can just share that with me in the comment section. I'll be so grateful about that. Now I'll be checking these videos analytics too. If the graph drops drastically and you're dropping off on the video, it just simply means that you don't like the face on the video and you want me to go back to my avatar. So please, if you still want to see me on the videos, then please watch this video to the end. Okay, do not drop off from this video. Watch to the end. It's just a signal that you'll have to see my face on my videos. So now let's continue with today's video. So first thing first, to create this type of videos, what are the things that you need? You will need an image that you are going to convert into a video. Now to be able to create the image too, you also need a prompt. Now how do you get a prompt? I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to get your prompt. Okay, so now to be able to get your prompt, there's a prompt that I'm going to use to create this type of video. Now the first way to get the prompt is to come to your browser and type Leonardo AI in the search here. Now click on the first link. There's a first link, click on it and then navigate to the Leonardo homepage. Now we are going to click on the get started for free button. You will need to sign up if you don't have an account, but if you already have an account, then you will need to sign in into your account. This is the Leonardo interface. What you're going to do is to scroll down and remain on the home page here. We are going to scroll down to the community tab and I'm going to show you how to be able to get the prompt that we'll be using to generate these type of images. So when you scroll down, the main aim is to get viral miniature images. Okay, so we are going to scroll down to look for miniature images that we're going to use for this particular video. So keep scrolling till you find one. Now this is one of the images, this another one. Now on the community tab, people create project and then post their project here. Anytime they post their project on the community tab and you tap on it, you preview it, you will see the prompt that they use to generate those images. So this is another quick way to be able to get your prompt all for free. So this particular image, we are going to preview it like this. Now when you click on the preview, you will see that it will open and you will see the prompt that the creator used to generate this particular miniature images or image. Now there's a prompt. So what you're going to do is to click on the copy button here to copy the prompt. Now the next you're going to do is to go to your Google Docs, and then paste your prompt there. So we're going to paste our prompt somewhere here. Then you go back to Leonardo AI again. We are going to click on the close button here. Then scroll down to see if you can get more prompt ideas. So this is another miniature image. So we're going to tap on it like this and then click on the prompt icon. Go back to your Google Docs, then right click in and paste your prompt here. So we have two prompts here. Now, if you don't want to copy all the prompts on Leonardo AI, then there's another way that you can do that. What you can do is to come to ChatGPT and paste this prompt here. Give me additional 4 prompts like this one using different scenarios. So I'm going to bring a quotation mark here. So I'm going to copy this prompt like this and then go back to ChatGPT and add this to my prompt. So there's a prompt and then click on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's response. Now you can see ChatGPT has given me 4 different prompts that I can use for this to generate these images in different scenarios. And then amazing thing I like about what ChatGPT has done is that it has also given me prompts that I can use to generate my animation. So I don't need to even suffer again. This animation prompt. Okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to start generating my images. So I'm going to copy the first prompt that I have, go back to Leonardo AI and scroll up. Okay. Let's scroll up. Now click on the image generation button. Then we already have an existing prompt here. We're going to delete it. This is where we're going to paste our prompt. So we're going to delete the already existing prompt. Then bring your cursor to the left here and click on the model to use. We can use any model at all, but I'm going to use the Flax Channel or Flax One Channel. I'm going to use that one. Okay. Then going to bring your cursor on the prompt enhancement and leave it on auto, and keep this one to the style on dynamic. Then we are going to choose the image dimension, that's the aspect ratio. So with the aspect ratio, click on more. So we are going to choose the 9:16, that because we are creating this video for YouTube Shorts or Instagram. We are going to set the dimension to 9:16. So tap on it like this. Now this is the type, this is how the image is going to be like. You can see the aspect ratio here. So anytime we click on the aspect ratio, you see how it will be. This is how it's going to be. So we're going to choose a mobile 9:16. Then let's go back to our prompt. So we are going to go back to our Google Docs and copy the first prompt that we have. This is the first prompt, and go back to Leonardo AI, right click inside this box and click on the paste button to paste our prompt. Then go ahead and click on the generate button to generate your image. So we're going to wait for some time, for some few seconds for our image to be generated for us. So you can see our images are ready. We have 4 different images that we're going to use, but I think I prefer this one. So what you're going to do is to click on the download button to download this image. So there's a download button here. Download that to your drive. You follow the same process to copy the rest of the prompt and paste it in Leonardo to generate the rest of the images. Now the next thing we are going to do is to bring our images to life by animating our images. To animate our images, we are going to use the Hailuo AI to do that. So go to your browser and type Hailuo AI in the search here. Now click on the first link to access the Hailuo AI platform. Now on the Hailuo AI, we are going to navigate to the create video button. Click on that on the left. So we are going to click on this image icon to import the image that we just downloaded from Leonardo AI. So click on the image like this and then click on the open button and import that to Hailuo AI. The next thing we are going to do is to copy the corresponding prompt from your Google Docs. So this is a corresponding prompt. This is a prompt that we use to create this image. We're going to copy it like this and go back to Hailuo AI and paste the prompt here. So click on the generate button to generate your animation. So you follow the same process to generate the rest of the animation. So these are some of the animations that I generated so far. We are going to preview it. This is the first animation I generated. You can go ahead and click on the download button and download that to your drive. Now let's check the second one. This is the second animation I generated with the same Hailuo AI. Click on the download button to download that. This is another animation I generated. Going to download that. This is another one. We're going to download that to our drive. Now that we have our animation ready, the next thing we are going to do is to generate a background music for this video. So for the background music, we are going to go to ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt here. Give me a description of a background music that I can generate with AI for these videos. So the description ChatGPT has given me is too much. If I'm to copy this and paste it in Suno AI, that will be too much. It will not be able to accommodate all the characters. So I'm asking ChatGPT to reduce it to 200 characters for me. So this is the description ChatGPT has given us. So the next thing we are going to do is to head over to our browser and type Suno AI in the search here. Click on the first link. We're going to click on the first link. Click on the create button on the left here. Then we are going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the description that ChatGPT has provided. Right click on it and click on copy and go back to the Suno AI platform and paste the description here. We're going to click on the paste button. For this type of videos, we only need instrumental. So all we're going to do is to bring this, put this button on like this, and then click on the create button to generate our music. Very easy to do, right? Now, Suno AI is going to give us two versions of the song for us to be able to play it, listen to it, then select the best out of it. So I'm going to play this one first. Great. So this is the first one. Let's also try the second one. So in fact, I like both music. The music are good, but I'm going to go with the first one. So bring your cursor here and click on the three dots here. Then click on the download button. Then move to the right and click on the MP3 audio and download this audio file to your drive. So now that we have our animations ready and also have our background music ready, the next thing we are going to do is to put all our footages together using an editing app of our choice. CapCut has been one of the popular apps that we use to do our editing, but because most of the features are now pro, we are going to use another editing app, but you are free to use any editing app of your choice. So for this particular video, we are going to use Clipchamp to do that. Click on the create a new video button. So we are going to click on the import media button and import our footages to Clipchamp. So this is the background music. We are going to select that. Now I'm going to click on the open button and import everything into Clipchamp. Wait for it to finish uploading before you add it to your timeline. So you can see it's completely uploaded. What I'm going to do is to start adding all the clips to my timeline. So you can start with any animation of your choice depending on what you want. So I'm going to start with this particular animation. I'm going to start with this one. Tap and drag and drop it on your timeline. Tap on this one too and drop it on your timeline. And then tap on this and drop it on your timeline. And then tap on the next one and drop it. It's very easy. Just tap and drop. Tap, then drag and drop it on your timeline. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is to add transition to our video. So just tap on one of the clips like this and then look for transition at the right side. Just tap on the transition here and choose any of the transition styles to use. So we have cross and fade, so I think I prefer the cross and fade. I'm going to tap on it and drag and drop it in between the two clips here. I'm going to drop it here. Now you can tap on it like this. Now you can go ahead and play the video to see whether the transition you added to your video is okay. If it's okay, then you can go ahead, we can move to the next step. The next thing we are going to do is to add a background music to this video. So move to your project or your media section. This is a background music we use a Suno AI to generate. So what you're going to do is to tap on it and drag and drop it on the timeline. Now we are going to bring our pointer here to the last part here to make sure the background music matches the video we have on the timeline. So here we're going to select the background music and then right click on it and use the split button to split your background music and delete the excess. Now I'm going to also drag or trim the last clip on the timeline to make sure it matches the background music. Now the next thing you're going to do is to preview the video again on the timeline to see. Now you notice that the background music is quite high. So what we are going to do is to select the background music again and then use the volume button at the top here to reduce the volume. So we're going to drag it to the left to reduce the volume. Let's move it to 40 to see how it's going to be. So let's play it first. Okay, so I think the music it's minimal now. Now the final thing we are going to do is to export our video to our drive. We are going to choose one of these resolution and always make sure you go with the highest resolution available. The highest we can get here is a 1080p. The 4K is for the premium users or for the premium users. So you're going to select the 1080p and export this to your computer. You see how easy it is to create this type of videos. What do you think about this video? Is it something that you're going to try anytime soon? You can share your thought about it in the comment section. If you're already creating this type of miniature videos, you can also share your experience with us in the comment section. You can watch other videos on this channel. A playlist will pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch all the videos in that playlist so that you can master AI animation. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.